Hi guys, welcome to our Mickey's Mystery unboxing for the month of June. This is a Phantasmic box. I'm super excited. Are you?
Yes.
Yes? Alright. Looks kind of big this month, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we cut it open before so you don't have to watch me cut open the box. So you ready for the first item?
Yes.
Alright, so this is Mickey's Mystery box for the month of June, and it's a Phantasmic box. You ready?
Yep.
Alright, oh my goodness.
I love this part.
You love this part? What color confetti do you think it is?
Blue.
You just looked, you cheated. That's not fair. Alright. Ooh, in this one, the first thing, I'll show you each thing, is an Animal Kingdom map. So I think this is a clue. I think this is a clue.
Mhm.
I bet it's a clue that maybe they did their shopping in Animal Kingdom.
Yeah.
I love it. We'll have to save the map for our trip. I mean, we know where everything is, but can't wait to see Pandora's Land. So
Yes.
that'll be exciting. Okay, you ready? So that's the Animal Kingdom map, which I hear is very busy nowadays. Okay, you ready for the next item?
Yes. Confetti.
All right, it's confetti. That's all we got is confetti. All right, and it is... Ooh,
So.
it looks like a scarf.
Mm.
It's a pirate scarf. Ah, it's a Pirates of the Caribbean with the bird. Can you guys see that? Woo. Can you look? We can see it on both sides. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
This is the birds from the ride. He
Yeah.
has a name. I don't remember what his name is. We're gonna have to look that up. If anyone knows what the bird in the Pirates of the Caribbean ride is, tell us down below, because we need to know, right? I need to know. I can't remember his name. I'm surprised. Okay, well, this is so awesome and so cool. We can hang this on the wall somewhere, too. Forget about wearing it. I'd like to hang it in the house. Pretty, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see.
I just want to say, comment down below and figure out what the bird's name is.
Yes, and if you like us, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe.
2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. You ready for the next
100.
thing? You ready for the next thing?
Yes.
It's a Zoom Zoom. What is he from?
I don't know.
I think he is from, I don't know, I could be wrong.
Wait, I know.
What is he? I think he looks like a bug.
He is a bug, but he's a caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland, the blue one.
You think it's that? I thought it was from It's a Bug's Life. I don't know if it's a Bug's Life. You guys see?
Yeah.
You guys think he's from Alice in Wonderland, the caterpillar? Or is he from A Bug's Life? If you guys know, let us know down below.
And figure out what the bug's name is.
Yeah, let us know. We're curious. Or what movie it's from. Maybe he doesn't have a name, but I want to know what movie he's from.
Yeah.
It's very cute though, right?
Mhm.
Okay. You ready for the
Even
next?
he have a smile.
He does have a little smile. You ready for the next item?
Yes.
All right. Here is another one. See, I think it's from A Bug's Life. Because look, this has little wings. Look at his little wings he has.
Okay.
The little wings
I'm
and...
guessing they're both from A Bug's Life.
Yes, I think they're both from A Bug's Life. So isn't this cute little purple guy? I wish that with all these
Wait,
tags...
it's not a guy, it's a girl.
It's a girl. I wish
it
with...
has eyelashes.
just like you.
Mm.
I wish with all of these that you knew that it gave you like a little tag that said their name either, or if it said who they were on the bottom. That would be like a cool thing, right?
Or, like, said their name on this.
All right,
Like
let's go to
right
the next
here.
box.
Ooh,
All
the
right,
next box,
the next thing. All right.
I love unwrapping this.
All right, let's unwrap this carefully.
To not break it if it's made out of glass.
I'm guessing it is. They usually wrap everything that's glass in this cool paper.
Okay, I'm guessing it's a mug.
You're guessing it's a mug?
Yes.
Maybe. Look how cool that is.
A Minnie Mouse mug, so sweet.
Minnie Mouse. Oh, what's it say? Mornings aren't pretty. All right, isn't that cool?
Yeah, mornings aren't pretty.
I love this. It's a Disney World mug. Very cool, right? Another mug for either hot chocolate or tea.
Yeah.
Right? Very cute.
Can
Let's
you
show
see
them.
she has a donut in her hand?
See? a little donut.
On the side.
Oh, other side, the donut.
Yeah.
Cool.
The donut.
All right, let's go see what else. Oh, you're totally gonna love this. I'm excited. It's like a little princess. It's just like a...
Wait, I think
think you can put your cell phone in there. It's a cell phone thing. Because look, it has a little, a hole to put the strap of your cell phone earplugs through.
Okay.
Very cool.
Cool.
Or you can just use it as a wallet, or
even sometimes
you can snap
you
it
can
on your belt.
hold it on like this, or you can like snap it on your backpack.
Your backpack, or put it on your waistband for your belt, like right over there. Let's show them what it looks like. Alright, oh look how sparkly it is. That's so pretty, guys.
I just noticed something. We didn't even notice the zipper that's gold.
Oh, that has a little Mickey head.
Yeah, let's show them.
It has a Mickey tack. Go ahead. Very cute. Alright, you ready for the next thing?
Yes.
Just confetti. I love the confetti. Oh, look. This is from A Bug's Life. Remember the little chubby caterpillar that got the little itty bitty wings in It's A Bug's Life?
Yes. For a second when I saw the blue, I thought it was like the caterpillar from Alice in Wonderland.
You got this thing for Alice in Wonderland going on tonight, huh?
Because he's blue.
It is. I think they're all from A Bug's Life, but he's very cute, isn't he? What do you guys think? Is he cute? Alright. There's something else. Oh, I'm so excited about this.
Oh!
It says, fragile. Here lies a breakable treasure. Alright.
Oh.
Let's see.
That means it's really breakable.
It's never been, we've never gotten anything wrapped like this.
Yeah, it's weird. I'll hold it.
Alright, ready? We'll just stick that to the bottom to open it careful. Ooh.
Let's open it.
Wait. Gentle. That's what it said.
What is this?
Ooh, I don't know. Okay, gentle.
I can
Oh, this is so exciting. Oh, I love it. So cool. It's a snow globe.
Yeah. I don't know what it
Oh,
does.
this is in front of us. See what it does. Wow, gentle. You guys see all that? Wow, look. You don't need to shake it like crazy. You turn it upside down. And then look. See all the little glitter? We love everything that glitters.
And
it's
again,
the bird. It's the bird. Look, it's
Yes.
a theme. It's the bird.
and
Now I have to know if this bird has a name. And then it says, a pirate's life for me. I love anything that's Pirates of the Caribbean. That's our favorite.
wait, if you forget who remember the bird's name, says comment down below and says remember to
Comment down below.
comment down below and
All right, look
give
at
us the bird's name.
See the little treasure map. See that? It's got a little bottle, all the jewels. It's so cool. I'm so happy that we got this. This is so exciting. Okay, there's one more
and you
item.
have to be very careful.
Very careful. So
I'm gonna
let's-
keep this.
We're gonna keep everything. Okay, let's put this down. All right, we got one more item.
Ooh, I can hear it.
And we have, don't shake it, it's breakable if it's in this. And look, I'm excited about our confetti that's in
Can
there.
I open it by myself because
What?
I heard something jingle?
It's really, can I help you? You can't do that. It won't open then.
How about you take off the tape and I want to unwrap it?
Okay, 1 second.
I'll
You don't
be
want to break it.
careful.
Oh, careful.
I love this.
Your favorite Tinkerbell. It's an ornament, but you know what? We can hang this in your room all year long.
Yeah.
Look up.
There's a little thing on the bottom. Wait, I want to see something.
Oh,
She
ooh,
lights up.
ooh.
See that?
I'll show
It
it
has
closer
a
for you.
bell. Too.
This is so pretty. We could hang this in your room.
Mm-hmm. How about not on my ceiling?
Not on your ceiling. Look, see how she lights up? See her wings keep changing colors. They're blue. They were red a minute ago. They're like purplish. Look at them, they're changing.
It's really cool.
So pretty, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. Very nice. I love it.
That's why I heard a little bell.
That's the bell you heard.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so let's go over everything that we got.
Yes.
Okay, we got the flag. Well, it's not a flag, it's a scarf.
Yeah.
A scarf.
We don't know if it's a flag or a scarf.
No, it's a scarf. It's not a flag. We
It
got.
looks like a flag.
It does look like a flag. It's like a flag scarf. We got these zooms. We're missing one. Where'd he go? Here he is. I don't know what their names are.
It's her.
It's a heart. It could be a boy. That could be blue. Oh, but you're right. It has like the eyelashes.
Yes.
So we have these three from It's a Bug's Life. I'm guessing they're all from It's a Bug's Life. We have the Animal Kingdom map.
The phone case.
Yeah, the case.
And
Tinkerbell.
wait, yes.
Whoa,
Tinkerbell.
watch, you don't drop this.
That.
We have the mug.
And now I'm gonna show two more things. This and Tinkerbell again.
So awesome.
And now she's back to me.
So cool. All right.
Wait.
We're
She
gonna...
has a light inside of her.
Yes, that's what makes her wings light up. Don't pull her wings apart.
Let's just do this.
Don't pull her wings. You're gonna break her.
No.
You're gonna break her. She's an ornament. You're not.
Do this.
You're going. You're gonna break her.
How am I gonna break her if I do it a little?
Because you're not supposed to. It's an ornament.
Okay. So, can you please like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up?
All right, and then we got the Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
All
and
right.
Tinkerbell wants to say something. And fly on over to Disney.
Stop, please. Stop. Okay. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so now we have something else in the box. You ready for it?
Yes.
Just a little confetti party. Confetti.
Get
Say,
on
woohoo,
there.
confetti party.
Get on there.
Whoa. All right, say bye, guys.
Bye. Rain confetti.
Thank you, Mystery Mickey Box. This was awesome. We are so excited. Bye.
Bye.